Have you ever walked into a camper and thought, how in the world did they fit this much living space in here without a single slide out? That's exactly what makes this one special. The 2026 Open Range 26DB breaks all the rules. It's a true family-size travel trailer that sleeps up to 10 people. And somehow, it does it all with zero slides. No moving parts. No waiting to set up. Just pack, hitch, and go. This is comfort that's ready the second you park, and today, we're stepping inside to see how Open Range pulled off one of the most surprising designs of the year. From the outside, the 2026 Open Range 26DB keeps things simple: clean lines, rugged edges, and that signature Highland Ridge look that balances toughness with modern appeal. It rides on a strong I-beam frame, with a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, so it's just as ready for a chilly mountain weekend as it is for a summer beach escape. Up front, the aerodynamic nose cap with integrated LED lighting not only improves towing efficiency, it just looks sleek when you pull up to camp after dark. Along the sides, you'll notice the extra-wide entry door, oversized windows, and a full-length power awning that stretches out to create your perfect outdoor lounge space. Underneath, you've got marine-grade outdoor speakers, LED lighting, and a quick connect for your grill, everything you need for those late-night cookouts with family. The pass-through storage up front is massive, easily enough for camp chairs, tools, and fishing gear. And the overall build? It feels solid. The kind of trailer that doesn't just look nice, it feels dependable when you're on the move. Step inside, and this is where the 26DB really flips expectations. Because here's the shocker: no slides, yet the space feels wide open. The interior design focuses on flowed clean sightlines, light wood tones, and tall ceilings that make the whole cabin feel airy. Right as you walk in, you're greeted by the U-shaped dinette, surrounded by panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. This is where you'll spend your mornings, coffee in hand, watching the world wake up outside. And when evening hits, that dinette folds down to create another sleeping space big enough for two. Across from it, a comfortable jackknife sofa gives you another relaxing spot or another quick sleeping area when you've got the whole crew along for the trip. It's cozy, it's functional, and it doesn't rely on slides to create that roomy feeling. Everything here just works. Now let's talk about that kitchen. For a no-slide camper, it's shockingly complete. You get a 3-burner cooktop, a large SCSI, a large stainless steel sink, a microwave, and a 12-volt refrigerator, all within reach, designed in a straight-line galley layout that actually makes sense for quick meals. There's solid counter space thanks to the sink cover and flip-up extension, and Open Range even included a decent amount of storage: upper cabinets with soft-close doors, drawers under the counter, and a pantry just beside the fridge. The finishes? Bright and modern matte black hardware, subtle grain cabinetry, and soft underlighting that gives the interior a warm, welcoming glow. This is the kind of kitchen where you can genuinely cook, not just heat things up. Pancakes in the morning, pasta at night, it's all doable right here. Up front, the master bedroom is designed for both privacy and practicality. A solid door separates it from the living area, not just a curtain, and behind it, you'll find a true queen bed with walk-around space on both sides. There's overhead cabinetry, side wardrobes, and even small nightstands with USB ports for charging your phone or running a CPAP. But here's the smart bit: lift up the bed, and there's a massive underbed storage compartment perfect for blankets, duffel bags, or even a small generator. And with dual windows on each side, it feels open and breezy, ideal for those quiet mornings when the only thing you hear is the wind through the trees. Next to the bunks, you'll find the bathroom, compact but super functional. There's a full shower with a skylight, a foot-flush toilet, and a vanity with storage underneath. It's the kind of setup that's easy to keep clean and surprisingly roomy for a trailer under 30 feet. Open Range also includes a dedicated vent fan, and, a big plus, the bathroom has a separate exterior door. That means when you're at the beach, or the kids are running in from outside, they can go straight to the bathroom without tracking dirt through the entire trailer. It's a small feature, but one that campers love. Comfort-wise, Open Range didn't cut corners. You've got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner up top and a 30,000 BTU furnace to handle cold weather trips. The whole trailer uses duct air, so you're not getting hot and cold spots like in cheaper rigs. Add in LED lighting, a Bluetooth audio system, TV hookups, and solar prep, and you've got a fully equipped rig ready for weekend getaways or cross-country journeys. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the missing one, the slides. Why build a no-slide trailer in 2026 when everything's getting bigger, heavier, and more complex? Simple, simplicity. No-slide mechanisms means less weight to tow, easier on your truck, fewer moving parts, less maintenance, faster setup, you're camping within minutes, and better insulation because fewer seals mean fewer air leaks. It's a minimalist approach to camping without sacrificing the essentials. And for many families, that's exactly what they want: less hassle, more travel. The 2026 Open Range 26DB proves something a lot of people forget: you don't need slides or luxury price tags to create a camper that feels like home. It's simple. It's smart. It's ready. A travel trailer built for families who want to spend less time setting up and more time making memories. 10 people. 0 slides. Endless adventures. If you're the kind of traveler who values space, simplicity, and reliability, this one deserves a serious look. So, what do you think? Would you go for a no-slide camper like this, or do you still prefer the extra room from slides? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Because we've got a lot more 2026 RV reveals coming your way right here on Luxury RV Explorer.